Can you see yourself in the 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe? With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Tahoe is the full-size SUV that ticks all the boxes. Safe, stylish, comfortable, loaded with technology, powerful, and ready to handle any challenge, it inspires confidence at every turn. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, 8-cylinder engine, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, power liftgate, adaptive cruise control. Escape to the calm, capable oasis of the Tahoe. Take it for a test drive.